Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to do something I've never done before. I'm going to be showing you a cookbook title that generates over $400 every month. Yes, you heard me very well. I'm going to be showing you a powerful cookbook title with low competition that makes $400 monthly on Amazon KDP. So if you are interested and you want to see this cookbook title, then make sure you stay to the end of this video. All right, so without wasting much time, I'm not going to hide anything, I'm not going to delay. So here is that cookbook title. All right, are you excited to see the title? Okay, so this is the title on Amazon. It's called Prostate Cancer Cookbook 2024. All right, and as you can see, it has just 88 search results on Amazon. All right, so let us scroll down and then see the books on this title, and then let us see their BSR overall. All right, so we are going to come down. This is the first book published in July 17, 2024. All right, you can see it's called the Complete 2024 Prostate Cancer Diet Cookbook. All right, just published last month, and this book already has a BSR of over 752,000. So if you ask me, I'll say this book is doing very well and is selling very well on Amazon. All right, and it was independently published, as you can see right here, independently published July 17, 2024. So this is one. So you can see this very profitable title. You can see this also, Superwoman's Adventure with Prostate Cancer, independently published also, but this was published last year. Okay, independently published, but it was published last year, and is already on 572,000 BSR. All right, meaning the book is doing well. Okay, this is not our title. You can see this also, Prostate Cancer Cookbook. All right, 2024, independently published this year, April 2024, and is already on 940,000 BSR. All right, meaning the book is selling. Okay, it's selling a lot. You can see the paperback $15, the Kindle $3.99. All right, we have Prostate Cancer again, independently published March 5, 2024, and you can see the BSR 674,000. Okay, so this book is doing so well on Amazon KDP, and it has just 88 results. It has just 88 results. So how much is this book making monthly? So let's go into my publisher rocket, and then let me show you how much this book is making every month on Amazon KDP. So this is publisher rocket. So I searched out the title Prostate Cancer Cookbook 2024, and as you can see, the average monthly earning $408 monthly. So if you are watching this video right now, I'm sure you must be excited. All right, you can get started right away on this cookbook title, and you can be sure of making this amount monthly on Amazon KDP. Okay, just look at the number of competitors, just 108, just 80 competitors, and it has less competition. Okay, it has less competition. So if I were you, I will not waste any time. I'll get started on this cookbook title immediately. So now you might be asking, why am I doing this? Why did I review this title, okay, to you guys to start working on? So there are just two reasons why I am bringing out this title. Okay, normally I should keep this to myself, all right, and make a lot of money with it on Amazon KDP. All right, so the first reason why I'm showing out this title is because I want my viewers, I want people who are following my channel to also maximize their earning and make a lot of profit on Amazon KDP. The second reason is because I want to grow my YouTube channel. So I'm just starting out. I want to grow my community on YouTube and grow my subscriber base. So if you are watching this video, one of the best thank you that you can give to me is to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay, if this video will really help you, okay, you have seen the title, you want to start working on it, then like this video. If I get up to 100 likes on this video, then I can assure you I'm going to continue doing more research and coming up with better cookbook titles that you can work on and maximize your profit on Amazon KDP. All right, so that's just the reason why I am bringing out this title to you. So before you jump into creating of this title, there is a video on my channel you need to see. It's all about generating cookbook content. All right, or with ChatGPT. So if you head over to my channel, you are going to see a video how to create a bestseller cookbook using ChatGPT. So if you are yet to watch this video, then make sure you watch it right away. You are going to learn how to use ChatGPT to prompt it, and then it's going to develop content that you can use for this particular cookbook title. Okay, so I'm sure it's not going to be difficult to create at all. If you go into some of the books, all right, make sure you are creative with your title. Make sure you are creative with your title. As you can see, this guy is targeting a niche down to men over 50. All right, he niche down to men over 50. So he's niching down to men. You can niche down to women. All right, you can niche down, okay, to a lot of things. Look for areas you can target and then niche down on. So there is so much money to make on this title alone on Amazon. All right, so let's look at the interior and see. Even though I don't like this cover, one of the reasons why your book will not sell even after you write this book title is your cover design. This cover is so bad. So make sure you contract a good graphic designer, or you can send me a message and then I'm going to help you design your cover for you, all right, at an affordable price. So this is the interior of this book, as you can see. So let us see if there's anything special about it. So we have the introduction, overview, importance, understanding prostate cancer, the role of diet in prostate cancer prevention. Then we have the breakfast, the lunch, the dinner, the snacks, the desserts. So this is nothing new. It's not different from what we have been doing so far. And that my video which I talked about covered how to create table of content and how to generate content for your book. All right. So without wasting much time, make sure you get started on this title right away. All right. So I hope you got value. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so you're notified whenever I drop more videos like this. Thank you.